nginra shiteng yaka perthei shapo rengkat batngi ong uhe shipai ka Pakistan.
Within 30 minutes of when Asim Munir made those comments, he should have been ushered out, taken to Tampa International Airport, and flown out of the United States. The message which the United States is sending is that we are not a worthy ally. There is absolutely no excuse for tolerating such language, such threats, such nuclear rogue behavior, especially on American soil. It's becoming increasingly hard not to believe that Donald Trump has been bribed in order to turn such a blind eye to Pakistan.
Uhe barim ka Pentagon Michael Robin hakas ngi baar ulab penremjur yaka jingkren berngam nuklear jong uhe shipai jong kari Pakistan kata u Asim Munir hakapor ba ule cari Amerika dakabaong baka jingkren jong u kalong kumba penkenmau ya u Osama bin Laden. Rubin ulong ki jing berngam jong ka Pakistan haka kendo jong kari Amerika kilong ki bom lakban pedang satya. Ula benrap ru baki jing berngam jongka Islamabad kibu yaki jingkli kibajur hato kari kala ni emban pendep yaki jingkit kli nangta Michael Robin ulaya chakmat takabaong ka jingkren jong Phil Marshall ka penkenmau yak keba ngilayo sngo na u Osama bin Laden kinong Amerika kipej yaki kam leno lengba ka jingpej jongka jingsongsi ula batai Kim Sngutu yakin nongrim cingmut cungki babun kileno u Asim Munir udai u Osama bin Laden hakasuit kasyur. Kani ka jingkren cung he barim cungka US kalong hadin ka jingkren cung he shipai cungka Pakistan hakawai ka jingilang hatampa Florida hapo kari Amerika hakaba ulap penmi yaki jing berngam kabajurba hakaba layatu ba ulong ngidai kari kabadon nuklear bat ladangi perkat bangi lekyar nginra shiteng yaka perthei syapo rengkat batni.